Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to set up your own Palworld dedicated server quickly and easily. First, make sure you've installed and opened Palworld at least once. Open Steam and go to your library, then search for Palworld. You'll see an option called Palworld Dedicated Server. Click Install to download it. Once installed, go to the folder where the server is located, usually at C Drive, Program Files x86, Steam, Steam Apps, Common, PAL Server. Launch the palserver.exe file and let it run for about 2 minutes, then close it. This creates the configuration files we need. Open the default palworld settings.ini file and copy everything below the third line. Navigate to PAL Server, PAL, Saved, Config, Windows Server, and open palsettings.ini, then paste the content and save. Launch palserver.exe again, and your server is ready to go. The default server port is 8211, so you can connect using your local IP followed by the port, like 127.0.0.1:8211. You can also customize settings like server port, PVP, and max workers in the palworld settings.ini file to fit your gameplay style. And that's it. Your Palworld dedicated server is up and running, ready for you and your friends to play. Make sure to tweak the settings, have fun, and don't forget to subscribe for more guides like this.